Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming requirements. iOS 18 or Mac OS Sonoma, active Apple ID with 2FA and Wi-Fi. Sign into your Apple ID if not already. Once done, open Settings and update the OS to the latest build so Apple Intelligence features are available. Make sure location, Siri, and microphone permissions are enabled. These let Siri use contextual signals. Now tap Siri and search to turn on Listen for Hey Siri and allow personalized suggestions, because those settings unlock intelligent on-device suggestions. You now configure Apple Intelligence itself. Go to Settings Siri and search Apple Intelligence and toggle core features like writing assistance, summaries, and Siri memory so they match your workflow. Next, choose Processing Preferences, on-device for privacy or iCloud for cross-device syncing. This affects speed and data sharing. Then pick which apps can share context with intelligence, mail, messages, notes, so Siri has useful signals. Make sure to fine-tune personalized suggestions in privacy, so the assistant surfaces relevant results without exposing unwanted data. Finish by testing Siri with varied prompts. Ask for summaries, drafts, or proactive suggestions to confirm functionality. If responses are missing, restart the device and re-enable Apple Intelligence toggles. This often resolves initialization problems. If cross-device sync fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset Siri history to force a fresh sync. One key troubleshooting tip: check 2FA and iCloud status first. Sync and intelligence features depend on a healthy account, so fixing account issues usually fixes the assistant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.